Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the throttle body, which is a vital part of your vehicle that you really do not think about that much. But if damaged, it might show signs and symptoms that will disrupt your entire driving experience. So if your car has been acting funny, rough, or even stalling, chances are your vehicle's throttle body is bad or probably clogged. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the symptoms of a bad throttle body to look out for. First off, what exactly is the throttle body? Think of it as the lungs of your engine. Just like we need to breathe in oxygen to function, your car needs air to mix with fuel and create combustion. The throttle body controls how much air flows into the engine when you press the gas pedal. In newer cars, it's an electronic component controlled by the Engine Control Module, ECM, while older models use a cable system that directly connects the pedal to the throttle plate. Either way, when you press down on the gas, that plate opens up, allowing the engine to take in the air and mix that with fuel before the vehicle can accelerate. And now that we know where it is and what it does, let's get into what will happen when the throttle body goes bad. Trust me, the experience with your car will be frustrating. And here are the 6 common symptoms of a bad or clogged throttle body that you are more likely to experience. 1. Check engine light. The first symptom of a faulty throttle body is a check engine light displayed on the dash of your vehicle. Know the check engine light can mean 100 different things, but if the ECM detects an issue with the throttle body, it'll trigger a specific trouble code. And that is where you will need to further troubleshoot your car for error codes relating to throttle body issues. To do this, you will need an OBD2 scanner. When you plug in an OBD2 scanner, you should see codes like P2101, P2119, or P0121 to know you've got yourself a throttle body problem. Now, what do you do with the code? Well, we will fix it in a bit, so stay with me. Number 2, hesitation when accelerating. If you notice your car hesitates when you step on the gas, it is likely a throttle issue. Have you ever pressed the pedal expecting a smooth takeoff, but instead it feels sluggish, like it's second-guessing itself? That could mean the throttle plate motor is getting weak, or dirt and grime are gumming up the movement, making it harder to open. If it can't let enough air in, the engine struggles to respond. That's a problem, especially if you need quick acceleration on the road. Mind you, this could also mean a throttle sensor problem and not the body. If you've not seen our video where we talk about signs and symptoms of throttle sensor issues, then you may need to check the description box for the video link. Rough idle. So you're sitting at a red light, minding your own business, and suddenly you observe that your car starts shaking slightly, then it's likely your throttle body is bad, faulty, or dirty clogged. So when your throttle body is bad, it could cause rough idling. Likewise, when it is dirty or clogged, because the dirt buildup around the throttle plate will hinder airflow. And when the air-fuel mixture is off, your engine will not burn fuel properly, and this can even lead to misfiring as well, and your RPMs will be jumping up and down. So if you notice your RPMs jumping around or higher than 1,000 and your car idling higher than normal, that's a clear sign something is wrong with your throttle body. 4. Engine stalling and sudden shoot-off. If you notice your car stalling or randomly shut off at a stoplight, that's another sign of a throttle body problem to look out for. Again, a clogged throttle body can prevent the right amount of air from getting through, literally suffocating the engine. So, when you're driving, the throttle plate will be open wider, and you might not notice the issue as much. But when you come to a stop, it closes almost completely, and since there's not enough air passing through, the engine just shuts off. Number 5, limp mode. Now this one is a little serious. The limp mode is a safety feature built into modern vehicles to protect the car engine and transmission when a serious issue is detected. When a car enters limp mode, it limits performance by reducing power, restricting RPMs, and sometimes locking the transmission into a lower gear, usually second or third, nothing more. So if your car suddenly refuses to go past second or third gear, it means your vehicle's ECM has decided it doesn't trust the throttle body anymore and puts your car in limp mode to prevent further damage. So what this means is that you need to get the problem fixed ASAP. And number 6, the car cranks but won't start. The worst case scenario you will get when you have throttle body issue is you trying to turn your car, the engine cranks but it won't start. Yeah, I've been there and it was very frustrating. In my case, I found that the throttle plate was so clogged with carbon buildup that it was completely stuck shut. No air in, no combustion happening, and no start. But the good news is, it's fixable. Now let's talk solutions. If your throttle body is dirty or clogged, a simple cleaning can solve the problem. All you need is some throttle body or carburetor cleaner and an old toothbrush. Remove the air intake hose, spray the cleaner inside, and gently scrub away the gunk. Make sure to get around the edges of the plate because that's where buildup usually sticks the most. Once it's clean, reassemble everything and start your car. You should notice an immediate improvement. Now, if you are not sure how to disassemble or reassemble your throttle body, then check out our other video on symptoms of a bad throttle sensor below. We shared the steps guide on how to disassemble and reassemble it back in that video. The link will be in the description box. If cleaning did not fix the symptoms and your code shows a throttle body problem from the scan you ran earlier, then you will need to replace your entire throttle body. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, channel for more car troubleshooting guides like this. Bye!